With a direct integration between Interact Quizmaker and Flodesk, you can seamlessly and automatically send your quiz subscribers specific emails and workflows. You're smart, so I'm sure you've already heard that segmented email campaigns can increase your ROI by up to 760%. Let's get you in on that kind of action with this direct integration. First, you'll need a quiz. If you don't have one yet, log into your Interact account, click on this little icon here, and choose Make a Quiz with AI to have an entire quiz made for you. You can also head over to ai.tryinteract.com. Now that you have your quiz, let's integrate it with Flodesk. So all of the emails or quiz subscribers that you collect are right within your email system. Over on the left, we will turn on lead generation. And this is where you can set up your opt-in form to include any specific information that you would like. We also recommend updating the copy on your opt-in form to really compel or encourage the right people to subscribe. What will they be getting when they join your email list? Once the form is to your liking, click Save and Continue. From here, we will choose Flodesk as the email system to integrate with. To connect, simply add in your Flodesk credentials and click Sign In. Allow permissions for Interact to access your Flodesk account. Now you can see over on the left that these pink check marks show your Flodesk account is integrated with your Interact account. Now here's where you can do that fancy segmentation. Really, it's not that fancy. It's pretty simple. So here I am on the results tab, meaning I'm able to segment people based on the specific result that they get. So in this case, my quiz is about which sofa should you splurge on. This quiz result is somebody who should splurge on or purchase a sectional. If I click on Add Action, I can add these quiz takers to a specific segment that I've created already in my Flodesk account for someone who gets the sectional sofa result. I'll click Save. You can see here in my Flodesk account, when someone is added to the sectional sofa segment, they're going to get this specific email workflow, as opposed to the different workflows that go to somebody who should get a recliner sofa, a statement sofa, or a pull-away sofa. If you haven't created your segments in Flodesk yet, simply choose the Audience tab, click Segments, click on New Segment, and name your segment something that relates to the quiz result. In this case, I'm creating a segment for someone who gets a pull-out sofa or hideaway bed. You can choose a segment color and then click Save. And here's that segment right here. Now, when I create a workflow for the hide-a-bed, I can simply add trigger and choose the hide-a-bed sofa segment. I'll publish the workflow. And now anyone getting into these segments from my quiz will receive the workflow that's specific to them. So let's just finish this up here. The hideaway bed, click Add Action, add to the hide-a-bed sofa segment. Same thing for someone getting the recliner sofa result, which you can see right here. I'll choose the recliner sofa segment. And lastly, for the statement sofa, again, you can see that in the result title here, I'll add them to the segment Statement Sofa. These pink lightning bolts confirm that based on the quiz results someone gets, they will be added to the specific segment in Flodesk. And you already saw in my Flodesk account where I have the trigger set up to a specific workflow that will send people the right emails based on the segment they get. When you click Save and Continue on this result setup page, you can do the same thing with any answers people are selecting in your quiz. For example, Question 1 asks, what kind of space are we working with? Is it pretty large living room or is it really small space like a New York City apartment? You could include specific segments or even update a custom field based on what they're telling you their size of their apartment or their living space looks like. Same thing for any other question here within the quiz. If you only want a segment based on the results, no worries. You can just click Save and Continue here. Otherwise, add specific actions or those segments to any answers that you specifically want to know that your lead has chosen. When you're ready, click Save and Continue, confirm the double opt-in setting, and then confirm that the field mapping is accurate. So the email address that they're putting in their Interact form goes to the email address field in Flodesk, and same thing for their first name. Save and Continue, and then you can either test the integration or publish your quiz and test it out live.